Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 19, fundamental operations. So let's discuss homework answers first. So exercise 19b, 7th question. From the sum of 3a minus 2b plus 4c and 3b minus 2c, subtract a minus b minus c. So from this sum you have to subtract a minus b minus c. So you can use first you can use a raw method. So raw method, you write the given polynomials in a row. So from the sum of 3a minus 2b plus 4c and 3b minus 2c, so you can write 3a minus 2b plus 4c plus 3b minus 2c. You have to subtract, so minus a minus b minus c. Okay, now before the first bracket there is no negative sign or there is no minus sign, so you can write the first bracket as it is. So 3a minus 2b plus 4c. Okay, now before the second bracket, also there is no negative sign, it is plus sign. So you can write the second bracket also as it is. So 3b minus 2c. Okay, plus 3b minus 2c. Now before the third bracket there is a minus sign or there is a negative sign. So whenever there is a negative sign before a bracket, you have to open or remove the bracket by changing the sign of each term inside the bracket. Okay, so inside the bracket the terms are a, b and c. So change their signs. So a means it is plus a. So plus a will become minus a. Okay, minus b will become plus b. Now minus c will become plus c. Okay, now you can group together like terms. So 3a minus a. Next minus 2b plus 3b plus b. Then 4c minus 2c plus c. Okay, now 3a minus a minus 2b. Like terms you can add or subtract. So 3a minus a. Okay, they two are like terms. So 3a minus a, it is 2a. Okay, now minus 2b plus 3b plus b. These three are like terms. So minus 2b plus 3b, you will get a 1b. Then 1b plus b. B means again 1b. 1b plus 1b, it is plus 2b. Okay, then 4c minus 2c plus c. So 4c minus 2c, it is 2c. Okay, 4 minus 2, it is 2. So 4c minus 2c, it is 2c plus c. Plus c means plus 1c. So 2c plus 1c, you will get a 3c. So the answer is 2a plus 2b plus 3c. Okay. You can also use column method. So 3a minus 2b plus 4c plus 3b minus 2c. First you have to find a sum. So 4c minus 2c, it is plus 2c. Okay, minus 2b plus 3b. So minus 2 plus 3, it is plus 1. Okay, so plus 1b, that is plus b. Then 3a, you can write it down, 3a. So 3a plus b plus 2c. Now from this sum you have to subtract a minus b minus c. So minus a minus b minus c. So in column method, if you are doing subtraction, means you have to change the sign of each term below each term in the lower line. Okay, so a means it is plus 1a. Okay, so that sign will change it to minus 1a. Okay, and minus 1b means it will become plus 1b. Or minus b, it will change to plus b. Now minus c, it will change to plus c. Okay, now 2c plus 1c. So 2 plus 1, it is plus 3. So 3c. Now here b means it is 1b. So 1b plus 1b. Here 1b plus 1b. You will get 1 plus 1, 2. So 1b plus 1b, it is 2b. Now 3a minus 1a. So you will get 3 minus 1, 2. So 3a minus 1a, it is 2a. You will get 2a plus 2b plus 3c as answer. Okay. Ninth question. Subtract the sum of x plus y and x minus z from the sum of x minus 2z and x plus y plus z. So from this sum, that is from the sum of x minus 2z and x plus y plus z, you have to subtract the sum of x plus y and x minus z. Okay, so you have to find this sum first, that is sum of x minus 2z and x plus y plus z first. Then secondly, you have to find the sum of x plus y and x minus z. Then from the first sum, you have to subtract the second sum. Okay, so using raw method. So raw method, you can arrange the given polynomials in a row. So from the sum of x minus 2z and x plus y plus z, so you can write x minus 2z plus x plus y plus z from their sum. So you can write the sum in square bracket. Okay, the two expressions you can write in open brackets, but their sum, from their sum means you can put that whole sum in square bracket. Okay, now you have to subtract. So minus, from this sum you have to subtract the sum of x plus y and x minus z. So again you can start a square bracket, then you can write the expression x plus y plus x minus z. Okay, now you can first remove the open brackets first. Okay, so before the x minus 2z, before this bracket there is no negative sign, so you can write as it is. So x minus 2z plus, before the second bracket x plus y plus z also there is no minus sign, so you can write that itself. So x plus y plus z again. Okay, no change in the sign of any term here. Okay, so x minus 2z plus x plus y plus z. Okay, minus, so these are in square bracket, first square bracket, so put that also, minus, then next square bracket. So x, before x plus y, before this bracket there is no negative sign, so you can write x plus y itself. Now before x minus z, it is again plus sign, it is not negative sign, so that also you can write it as it is. So x plus x minus z. Okay, that you have to put in the second square bracket. Okay, so in this step we remove the open brackets of each term. Okay, now next term x, we can start removing the square bracket. So before this square bracket, before the first square bracket there is no negative sign, so you can write that first square bracket as it is. Okay, so x minus 2z plus x plus y plus z, you can write it that itself. Now before the second square bracket there is minus sign, so in order to remove the bracket or remove the square bracket, you have to change the sign of each term inside the bracket. So you have to change the sign of x, y, x and z. Okay, so x means it is plus x, so that will change to minus x. Next plus y will change to minus y. Again plus z will change to minus x. Minus z will change to plus z. Okay, now you can group together like terms. So x plus x minus x minus x. Then minus 2z plus z plus z. Then y minus y. Okay, now x plus x minus x minus x. So x plus x, it is 2x, that is 1x plus 1x, it is 1 plus 1, it is 2, so x plus x, 1x plus 1x, it is 2x. Okay, so 1x plus 1x minus 1x minus 1x. Okay, so 1x plus 1x, it is 2x. 2x minus 1x, it is 1x. Again 1x minus 1x, you will get 0. Okay. Next, minus 2z plus z plus z. That is minus 2z plus 1z plus 1z. So you know 1z plus 1z, it is 2z. Okay. Now minus 2z plus 2z. Minus 2 plus 2, it is 0. So here also you will get a 0. Okay. Next, y minus y. It means 1y minus 1y. That is 1 minus 1, it is 0. So 1y minus 1y, it is also 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, you will get 0 only. So 0 is the answer. You can use solve this question using column method also. So in that, first you have to find the sum of x minus 2z and x plus y plus z. So that is x minus 2z plus x plus y plus z. So while arranging in column, like terms comes under same column. So x, okay, like terms. Z will comes under z only. Now y, there is no y term in the first row, so you can write y at one end. Okay, so x minus 2z plus x plus z plus y. Now here y you can write it as it is. Okay, plus y itself you can write. Now minus 2z plus z means minus 2z plus 1z. Minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1. Okay, so minus 1z is the answer. Minus 2z plus 1z minus 1z, that you can write a minus z itself. Okay, minus 1z we can write a minus z. Now next, x plus x. So it is 1x plus 1x it is. Okay, so 1 plus 1 it is 2. So 1x plus 1x it is 2z. So you will get the answer 2z minus z plus y. Okay, now you have to find the next sum, second sum, that is x plus y plus x minus z. So while arranging in column, you can write x plus y plus x minus z. So below y term you can put a 0. Okay, no y term in the lower line, so you can put a 0. So x plus 0 minus z. Now minus z you can write as it is. Minus z itself you can write y plus 0 y. Okay, y plus 0, it is y. X plus x, that is 1x plus 1x, it is 2x. So you will get 2x plus y minus z. Okay, now from the first sum you have to subtract the second term. So first sum is 2x minus z plus y. You have to subtract 2x plus y minus z. So 2x minus z plus y. Okay, like terms comes under same column. Okay, but here 2x minus z plus y we write first, then 2x, that you can write below 2x, then plus y you can write below y, then minus z you can write below z. Okay, now 2x, while doing subtraction you have to change the sign of each term in the lower line. Okay, so here 2x means plus 2x, that will change to minus 2x. Minus z will change to plus z, plus y will change to minus y. Now y minus y, it is 0. Z plus minus z, in that way you have to take. Okay, so minus z plus z, that is minus 1z plus 1z. Minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. So minus 1z plus 1z, you will get 0 only. Okay, now 2x minus 2x, you will get 0. So the final answer is 0 itself. Okay, next multiplication. Okay, so you know this, a into a, that is a is multiplied 2 times. So we will get a, we will write it as a raised to the power 2 or a squared. Okay, this is a squared or a raised to the power 2. If a is multiplied 3 times means a into a, it is a raised to the power 3 or a cubed. Okay, then if a is multiplied 5 times, that is a into a into a into a into a, we can write it as a raised to the power 5 or 5th power of a. Like that it will go on. Okay, now these numbers a square, a cubed, a raised to the power 5. These are called exponents. Okay. So before going to multiplication, you should know one law, that is product law. Okay, product law used in exponents. So the law is a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Okay. So in first case a, the base a is raised to the power m. Then in the second one a is raised to the power n. Okay, here the bases are the same, a. Okay, this is called base, this is called power. Okay, so base is the same but powers are different and we are multiplying. Okay, we are multiplying the exponents having the same base and different powers. Okay, in such cases you can write the base the same. Okay, base will be the same, a itself, but powers are added. Okay, that is m plus n. Okay, so a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So let's take one example. 5 raised to the power 2 or 5 square into 5 cube. Okay, here the base in both numbers it is 5 but powers are different, 2 and 3. So what will be the answer? We know that a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 3 will be, base will be the same, 5 raised to 2 plus 3. Okay, that is 5 raised to the power 2 plus 3, it is 5. So 5 raised to the power 5 will be the answer. Okay, when if the bases are the same, powers are different, and if you are multiplying them. Okay, in case of multiplication only we follow this rule. That's why the name product law. Okay, so if you are multiplying, we can write the same base but powers are added. Okay, so 5 raised to the power 2 plus 3, so it will become 5 raised to 5. Okay, next example we can take x raised to 5 into x raised to 2. Okay, so here x is raised to the power 5, then x raised to the power 2. So base is the same but powers are different and we have to multiply them. So we can use product law, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So x raised to 5 into x raised to square, it will be x raised to the power 5 plus 2. Okay, same base we can write but powers are added. So what you will get, x raised to the power 7. So this will be the answer. Okay, this is called product law. Now let's take another example. X square y cube into x raised to the power 6 into y raised to the power 5. Okay, so here two variables are there, x and y. Okay, so x square y cube means it is x square into y cube. Okay, x square y cube, if we write it like this, means it means x square into y cube. Then here product into x raised to 6 y raised to the power 5 means it is x raised to 6 into x y raised to the power 5 or y raised to 5. Okay, so now you can use a product law. So here x square and x raised to 6 we can write together. So x squared into x raised to 6 into, now you can group y variables. So y raised to the power 3 into y raised to the power 5. Okay, so grouping x and y separately. Now next, here which law we can apply here? You know that a raised to m into a raised to n, it is a raised to m plus n. Okay, this law, product law, we know. So here x square into x raised to 6. Here base is the same, x. Powers are different. So what we do? We will write the same base x. Then we will add the powers. So 2 plus 6 it will be. Okay, x raised to square into x raised to 6 it will be x raised to 2 plus 6. Okay, into, next we can do y. Okay, y raised to the power 3 into y raised to the power 5. So here base is the same, y. Powers are different, 3 and 5, and you have to find the product here. Here also product, here also product. Okay, so how can you find it? We know that a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So y raised to 3 into y raised to 5, it will be y raised to 3 plus 5. Okay, now x raised to 2 plus 6, it is x raised to 8 into y raised to 3 plus 5. Again you will get y raised to 8. Okay, so this we can write as x raised to 8, y raised to 8. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the way how to do if two variables comes. Okay, so x terms you can add. If it has same base means you can add the powers. Okay, otherwise you can't do anything. Okay, if x and y comes means x raised to 8 into y raised to 8, you can't do anything. Okay, so you can write it like this only. Next example, 3x into 5x into 2x. So we need to find the product of these monomials. Okay, this has only one term, so it is monomial. So in such cases, if both numbers, numerals and literals comes means, you can multiply the numerals. That is 3 into 5 into 2. You can group the numbers, then you can group the variables. Okay, so x, here one x is there, so x into, in the second one x is there, so into x into, third also x is there, x. Okay, 3 into 5 into 2, you can group together. You can group together the numerals or numbers, then you can group the literals. Okay, so 3 into 5 into 2, it is 3 into 5, 15 into 2, it is 30 into x into x into x. X into x into x means x raised to 1 into x raised to 1 into x raised to 1 it is. Okay, we know that a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. If the base is the same, we can add the powers. Okay, so here the base is x. So x, we can write the base x. Now powers are 1, here also 1, here also 1. So you can add 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so that is 30 into x raised to 3. The answer will be 30x cube. Okay, this will be the answer.